So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix your Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion Remastered crashing on your PC. So first, you need to access your Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion and make sure that you right-click that one and click on the properties of the game. Once you click on that, under the generals, make sure to put the -DX11 under the launch options. Then, go to the installed files section, and under that, you will see the verify this game's files and installed correctly. Click on the button which is the verify integrity of the game files. Once you click on that, click the browse button, and once you click on the browse button, just simply go to the downloader or the exe version of your Oblivion Remastered and right click that one and click on the properties. Once you click on the properties, disable the full screen optimization, so you just have to uncheck that one. After that, you need to click the drop-down menu under the compatibility mode, which is on the Windows 8, and run this program as an administrator as well. Then click apply. And now, you have fixed your Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion that is remastered crashing on your PC.